Hey guys, what's up? This is Money back with another video, and in this video, as I promised, I'll be making a video on how can you be safe from hackers. So guys, this is the complete privacy tutorial for 2021. You guys stick ahead with me until the end of this video, and guys, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Always stay updated. So guys, whatever platform or whatever OS you use, the main thing is that you should always be updated by installing all the updates. This is because the developers who write the code for the particular operating system that are running on your machine, they always go through the code daily, and they will be checking for the bugs that are present in the code that make them vulnerable to hackers. So whenever they find something like that, they release the new code which does not have that bugs as new updates. So if you don't download that, you will be at a greater risk of hacking. So guys, from now, make sure that you are up to date and install all the updates. Another thing that I want to say you is that never use too small passwords, and also that keep changing your passwords as fast as possible. This makes the hackers very difficult to crack the passwords of your accounts. So if it is possible, keep changing the accounts and passwords of all the things that are on the web. You should always be updated with cyber news. You should always keep track what are the websites that are breached or hacked, and you should make sure that you don't have any accounts in that website. If you do have any accounts in the breached website or hacked website, you need to surely check that in the haveibeenpawned.com. Let us check how can we do. So guys, here we are in haveibeenpawned.com, and this website is a famous website for checking the breached account names and passwords. So you can see the statistics here. 501 pawn websites data has been stored in this particular website. So let us try checking an example Gmail address with the help of this website. So what you need to do this is put your email address right here and then click on the button right here called pawn. And once you click on that, it will show whether your account is pawned or not. So this account, as expected, is pawned 162 times in data breaches. And one thing is that you can check what are the websites that are pawned recently in this particular website. So when you click on that, you can see what are the websites that are pawned. So you can see 000 web host is one of the famous website, but it has been pawned. And here you see Adobe have been breached. Checking your passwords and account names in this website helps you noting whether your password or account name is breached or not. Number 2. Don't get attracted and indulge in crazy links and stuff. If you are using internet for fun purpose and just watching the YouTube videos and leaving the internet, then it is totally fine using that. But if you are using Gmail and a lot of the things that are on the web which are related to your accounts and passwords, then you should be very careful, because the number of cyber crimes are increasing day by day due to the recklessness of the owners who are owning the Gmail address and passwords. You should never and ever click on the links that are not known by you, that are received by the mail directly. So if you want to open some links or to verify them, then I'll be shortly suggesting you some app. So another thing is that never enter your account names and passwords in the websites that are not HTTPS. So what happens is that when you don't use HTTPS, these websites are not encrypted, and your data which is sent into that website is also not encrypted. So you should first verify whether the website is HTTPS or not, and then enter your email address or password, and enter them only if you trust the site and it is necessary. Otherwise, never give your usernames and password to even anyone on the web. As I told you guys, this is a website that I will suggest you to look at the URLs and the files. So if you have doubt on some particular website, then just get the URL and put it right there. So whenever you get an email or a link saying that to click on this and you will be getting something, then just copy the link and don't open the link, just copy it and paste it here, and then it's gonna tell whether that link is safe or not. And if you have doubts on some files which you need to download from the net, then you can also say search the file right here, and then you can just say choose the file, and this is gonna open your computer. So let us now check a link here. So now I have a doubt on a website called hacktyper.net, and let me check that in a second, and click enter. And when you click enter, it just shows you okay, so all of these particular websites says that this is okay and this is clean. It doesn't have any malware. So when you type a website name which is bad, then it's gonna just put up bad here. And so guys, this is one of the ways by which you can check whether any website or any link is legit or not. Number 3. always use VPN and Tor. Let us understand what exactly are these VPN and Tor separately. So let us first look what exactly is a VPN. A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it establishes a secure connection between you and the internet. So with the help of this VPN, all your data traffic is routed through an encrypted virtual tunnel. So this disguises your IP address when you use the internet, making your location invisible for everyone who is trying to track you. So the IP address that is your identity on the internet, and it is also secured against external attacks. That's because only you can access the data in the encrypted tunnel, and nobody else can see you because they don't know what exactly your real IP address. They only know the IP address that the VPN shows you. Now I'll be suggesting you a VPN that you can use, and it's free for 7 days. Afterwards, just pay some dollars. It's not too big amount to that. And if you here you can see the links, and I will put this link right there in the description box. And here you can see you can download it for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. So I'll be showing you how can you download it for Windows and Android. So first let us open the Play Store, click on that, and then search for Proton VPN, and then click on download button right here. I have already downloaded, and then click on open. And once you click on open, this is gonna pop up and just say next, and then you need to log in. So let us now catch up in the computer. So now let us see how can we do that for Windows. So you need to just come into this website, that is https:/protonvpn.com/download, and I'll put this link in the description, don't worry about that. Then you can just click on this button right here, download for Windows, and just click save. And I have already downloaded that. You can see this application right here. And once you do that, then just close your browser and then search for Proton VPN. So here you can see that, and then click on that, and this is gonna now open up. Now just say next, and now again press the next button, and you can set the appropriate folder, but I'm just leaving it as default. Then just say next, just say install. Now it will take some time installing, and it will be collecting all the information, so let us wait for that. And now it has installed Proton VPN. So guys, we have now just installed the Proton VPN, and once you're done with that, then just put on your email address and password. Then you're gonna get a free trial for 7 days. Then you can enjoy with your Proton VPN. So guys, I think that you are a little bit disappointed because Proton VPN costs money, so you need to pay money for your privacy. Is that true? No, no, no. There is a free organization that provides you privacy on it. So that is Tor project, and one app that I want to suggest you and let you know how can you install that, set up that, and everything regarding that is the Arbot. And the Arbot is a wonderful app, protects your privacy on web. So it's just like a VPN, but it's like a lot more than a VPN, I can say. It creates three encrypted layers between you and the internet and protects you on the web so that nobody can see you and steal the information from you. So without any further delay, let's get started with Arbot. Now let us see how can we install Arbot on an Android phone, and let us see how can we run that, and I will say you all the options regarding Arbot now. So first let's click on the Play Store icon, and let us first download the Arbot onto our Android phone. So then search for Arbot, and once you search for that, verify whether it's from the Tor project or not. And once you verify that it's from Tor project, and you can see that it's a pretty popular app, it got 10 million plus downloads, and you can also read the reviews. And after you're done with all this, then click on the download button, which will be in the place of open button right here. And once you click on the download button and you're ready for opening up your Arbot, then click on the open button right there. And once you click on the open button, this is what that's gonna pop up. This is called the Arbot user interface, and you see it's a pretty good one. So now let us first learn about what is this option right here called Global Auto. So this option, so you can see right here, shows us when you click on that, it shows us different countries. So when you want to connect to a particular Tor service in a particular country, then you can use this option. But as default, we will leave it as Global Auto. And then the other option that you can see right here is Tor enable apps. So this is right here, and you can see it here. And once you see this option, now let's click on that and see what is it exactly. So as you click on that, it shows you all the apps that are on your Android phone, and you can select any one of those that you want to run your Tor browser or Tor network. So don't select all the apps and make it a mess. Just select the apps that you want to run to the Tor network, like just your browser, not any other apps. So once you're done with that, just go back,
And the next option I'll be talking about is this one, VPN mode. So it is right here, and this VPN mode helps us to connect to a VPN to our service and makes our connection really encrypted and router more than normal to our starter is. So now once you select this option, then the hardbot starts and we can have safe net and we can browse safely and privately. But guys, be sure that you don't misuse this. You use it for just protecting your privacy but not breaking anyone's privacy. So I hope you guys are good and use this for a good purpose rather than doing a mess with that. So guys, once you're done with that, just click on this button. And once you click on this button, as I said, you see that our bot is starting. So you can see the notice right down here, and this notice says that our bot is starting. So let us wait for that. And here you can see once this bootstrap completes 100%, then we are done. So here we are done. So now it stays stop. So you can see the stop button right here. If you want to stop the rbot, then you can just click on this option right here to stop the rbot. And guys, we are done. I told you every option regarding rbot and how to run. Now you can just go back to your browser, in this case Mozilla Firefox, and use Tor and browse safely.
So guys, that's it for this video. So this is a complete privacy tutorial for 2021. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.